What if I told you that you can make a powerful LED light bulb at home using an old CFL bulb from scrap materials? No expensive parts, no complicated circuit. Hello friends, welcome back to ABTabi Electronics. If you love DIY electronics and creative projects from scrap, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more amazing ideas. Today, I am going to show you how I made an LED light bulb at home using an old CFL bulb case and a 5-volt mobile charger. It is very easy to say. I made this LED bulb completely from scrap. Components used. For this project, I used 1 watt, 4 LED lights, a 5-volt mobile charger as power supply, an old CFL bulb body as LED bulb holder and case. That's it. Simple and easily available parts. How it is made. First, I removed the internal circuit and tube from the old CFL bulb carefully. Then I installed 4 1-watt LEDs inside the CFL casing. These LEDs are powered using a 5-volt mobile charger. The charger works as a stable DC power supply for the LEDs. How it works. The mobile charger converts AC mains voltage into regulated 5-volt DC output. This 5-volt DC powers the 1-watt LEDs safely. The CFL casing works perfectly as a ready-made LED bulb holder. So instead of throwing away old CFL bulbs, we can reuse them to create something useful. You can use this DIY LED bulb during power cuts, for emergency lighting, in workshops, for small rooms, for camping setups. It's simple, affordable, and eco-friendly. Benefits. This project helps reduce electronic waste. We are recycling old CFL bulbs and mobile chargers. It saves money and promotes creative reuse. After proper wiring and fitting everything inside the CFL body, our homemade LED bulb is ready. As you can see, the LED bulb is working perfectly. It gives bright light and consumes very low power. You can use it anytime, anywhere. If you like this scrap to useful project, please like this video and share it with your friends. Comment below if you want more scrap electronics projects. And don't forget to subscribe to ABTabi Electronics for more amazing DIY circuits and creative ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.